Hindi ito yung una. Yung mga petitions before, ano po yung naging ruling ng ating Korte Suprema kung hindi, bakit po hindi pinagbigyan yung kanilang mga petisyon?
Ganito lang naman yan, Ali, no? Sabi mo nga, almost 40 years na yan, 1987 Constitution. There have been a lot of House bills and Senate bills passed, filed. But unfortunately, wala ngang pumasa sa House at sa Senate. So, ibig sabihin, hindi pa nagiging batas ang anti-dynasty. Bagamat, malinaw sa Constitution na ito ay pinagbabawal. Sabi nga ng Constitution, political dynasty is prohibited but subject to the definition of Congress. So, ang definition lang naman dito ay kung sino ang kasama sa political dynasty. But, per se, generally, as a rule, it is prohibited, hindi lang nga klarado or binibigyan ng kapangyarihan ang Kongreso para i-define hanggang saan ba ang political dynasty. So yun po ang aming final na mandamus na sinasabi namin na dapat ito na klaruhin at i-define ng Kongreso. Yung mag-asawa, klaro naman yan na dynasty yan. Yung mag-ama, klaro naman yan na dynasty yan. So I think it's really incumbent and about time na malinawan natin yan. When we have really tinignan namin ang statistics, isipin nyo, Patpi at Ali, about 8 out of 10 districts, kumaga 80%, 70 to 80% of our Congress is political dynasty. So paano naman yan magkakaroon ng checks and balance? Ikaw yung congressman, yung asawa mo yung mayor or governor, or yung anak mo yung mayor or governor. Example na lang, balik tayo sa Davao. Since 1992, it has been Duterte. Palitan, katulad ngayon, tumatakbo, mag-ama. No? Mayor, vice mayor, nung time ni Sara at saka ni President Duterte, bago sila tumakbo as president, sila rin mayor, vice mayor. I mean, that is an obvious dynasty, no? Kaya nga sabi natin, it's really a question of accountability. How can you have democracy if both the legislature and all of the local government officials are controlled by a family? Maalala natin sa city or sa province, ang head ng legislative yung vice governor or vice mayor. So, paano mo may kokontrol yung budget? Kung yung tate mo yung mayor, yung head ng legislative mo is yung vice mayor, paano naman magkakaroon ng ganyang democracy?
Let's get together, Sunnet 25, Sunnet 25.